Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn Languages with Layla. Today we're going to continue to learn how to read and write Arabic step by step. So let's get started. Let's go to see Harful Ba, the alphabet letter or the letter Ba, like this at the bottom. The dots is at the bottom. I'm going to write three of them. So I'm going to do the short vowels just to review them. Fatha on the top, right? We're gonna open our mouths on the top. Ba, it acts as a. Ah, Damma is small circle with this. Bo, like O. And Kasra is at here, down. So B. So Ba, Bo, B. For the long vowel, we're gonna have these. Just be focused, get your pencil, get your notebook, and just get these notes. They are very helpful. So we have this alif, we have waw, and we have yeah. These are letters actually, but they're acting as long vowel. So I'm gonna just, so you can remember, I'm gonna say alif, here waw, and here is yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do like this, like you sound from your throat. Yeah. So alif, waw, yeah. They are letters, but they are also short, long vowels. How are we gonna be acting as long vowel? Let me show you something. So harful ba is like, this is a free letter ba, but if it's at the beginning, we're gonna erase this. Not all I did mistake, but I will just, what we're gonna do, this is like this. Ba. So here, let me show, it will erase everything. Sorry. Then I'm gonna write it as this. So doesn't have that end. If it ba, I'm gonna do another lesson how the shape change from the beginning, the middle, and the end. So this is ba, bo, bi. Now, if ba, the alif always acts with fatha. So, and it will be here, just so ba, and waw after the damma. So you see, they are same shape. This damma is small, as it looks like wow, but it's small. So boo, it's long. B, and if we add ya, it will be B. I'm gonna do the dots here. Yeah, it has two dots at the bottom. So B. Let's repeat. Ba, boo, B. So like B, for example, like B, the B, B. So this long vowel like E, to see two E's, it's longer here, but like, let me just write it here. This is like boo, and this is ba. We don't have it in English, just like, let me just do this. Ba, but it's long ba, like fat, bat, like that. So let's do it with the other letters like harfu ta and harfu tha. I'm gonna just erase again these here. Please take notes. That's how you're gonna learn. So now harfu ta, who remembers? Write it down. Write ta. Very good. Ta. We hear ta, two dots on the top. So ta, this is at the beginning of the word. That's how we write ta. And you see me, I'm writing from right to left. Now I'm gonna do the short vowels first. Let me do damma now here. Damma. What we're gonna say? To. Very good. If I do kasra here, so T. If I do fatha, ta. Now you see damma is like, well, it's if we follow it, two. So two. Our mouth has a circle, but it's longer. T has been followed with yeah if we want a long vowel. So T, and fatha with alif hasan jiddan. So ta, it's on top, on the top too. Alif is always on the top. So two, ti, ta. Let's do harfu tha. What do you hear? Th, th, three dots. Very good. So th, th, and th. I'm gonna change. So I want you just to get you used to this. For example, I'm gonna start with fatha, it's th. This one I will do kasra, and this one I will do damma. It just, I want you to be careful with me. I don't want you to lose concentration. That's why I don't want to do the same. Okay, th, it goes with what? Alif, حسن جدا, and it's tha. Thi, it goes with ya, thi. Two dots here. And thu goes with wow. Let me just go back here to get my pencil. I don't know what's happening. Okay. All right. Thu. All right, let's read all this. Yes, two. Your turn. T. Very good. This one. Ta. Very good. Now, this. Tha. This. The. This. Thu. Very good. And now you learned the long vowel in Arabic. That's all. All right. See you next time, inshallah. Bye.